So just to get you started, you notice this equation's kind of beyond hope. You could try and rearrange it, but it's really awkward, okay? I try and focus on the second one, okay? Now what I'm going to try and do is substitute one equation into the other. So I need either an x equals or a y equals. Doesn't matter which one, but I can see a y in there which I can easily extract just by adding y to both sides. So would you be happy that I could write y equals x plus 10? That would also be true. Yeah? And then whenever I see that y again in this equation, I can just replace it with x plus 10. Okay? So x squared plus 2 times x times y. So I can replace that with x plus 10 now. Plus 15 equals 0. Make sense? So we'll do a bit of expansion work. And a bit of tidying. It's looking relatively friendly. Okay, will this factorize?
No, we need the quadratic.
No, spend about 20 seconds looking at it. I can't see any factors there. So yeah, quadratic formula. I'll take this as given that you know what that is. Minus 4 times 3 times 15. All divided by 6, which comes out as negative 20, plus or minus 20 squared, which is 400. Minus 460, that's 180, over 6, which negative 20, plus or minus 400 take away 180 is 220. Square root that up, divide that by 6.
Plus square root 55 over 3.
Okay. So negative 10 plus or minus the square root of
55.
all over 3. Okay. Have you got a couple of to 3 significant figures?
No.
Could you do that on your calculator? So you've got negative 10 plus root 55
Okay.
over 3.
You want the decimal?
Yeah, exactly. What'd you get?
3
significant figures?
1 second. Negative 0.861.
Negative 0.861. And what's the other one? Or x equals?
Negative 5.805.
805. So 8 ones for 3 significant figures.
Oh yeah.
Yep, good, excellent. Now have I finished?
No.
I need a y. So if x equals that, start with that one, stick it in that equation, you get, oh god, 9.139, or x equals 4.19, I think. Just add 10. Okay, and if I just quickly check that on here, there is a command for intersect. So I click that one, and I click that one. Then you can find negative 0.86, 9.14. Yeah, I'll take that. And negative 5.81, 4.19. Yep, I'll also take that. Okay.